Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use vitamin C face wash and serum for a radiant complexion. Vitamin C is a fantastic ingredient for your skin, offering antioxidant protection and helping to brighten your skin tone. It also plays a key role in collagen production, which keeps your skin firm. For optimal results, remember to apply your vitamin C serum after cleansing and before your moisturizer. Consistency is truly key to unlocking all the benefits this powerhouse ingredient offers. Starting your routine with a vitamin C face wash is simple and effective. First, wet your face with lukewarm water to prepare your skin. Then, take a dime-sized amount of the face wash and gently massage it onto your skin in circular motions for about 30 seconds. This helps remove dirt and impurities while delivering those initial antioxidant benefits. Be sure to rinse your face thoroughly with water until all cleanser is removed. Then pat your skin dry with a clean towel. After cleansing, it's time for your vitamin C serum. Dispense about 2 to 5 drops onto your fingertips. Gently pat the serum onto your face and neck, avoiding harsh rubbing, to ensure even distribution and absorption. Give it a minute or two to fully soak into your skin before moving on. This allows the potent ingredients to penetrate effectively. Finally, apply your favorite moisturizer to seal in the serum and keep your skin hydrated. To ensure your skin loves its new routine, always patch test new products on a small area first, like your inner arm, and wait 24 to 48 hours for any reaction. This helps prevent irritation. Crucially, always follow your morning vitamin C application with a broad-spectrum sunscreen of at least SPF 30. Vitamin C enhances sun protection, but it doesn't replace sunscreen. For more great tips and deals, including a fantastic book on personal finance, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.